My name is Dr. Robert Mainyo. I'm the CEO of Gusii Coffee Cooperative Union. Today is our first time our coffee is being sold at the auction. The union, through its registered brokerage, has started selling the coffee for the two counties, Gusii and Nyamira, for all our societies. I want to say that this is what we have been looking for all along, to see that at least we access the Nairobi Coffee Exchange for purposes of ensuring that our farmers are able to earn handsomely from their coffee produce. I want to say and put it very clear that what sells coffee is the quality. And because our coffee, we started this issue of certification, which will start attracting the premium prices starting this coming long season. Today we have seen a big change from what has happened for the last 2 weeks, that coffee prices have greatly improved. I want to say that as a union, we want to ensure that the farmer, the poor farmer at the farm level, is able to earn handsomely from the coffee produce. I also want to say that it's very important for our farmers to be coming to this union on Tuesdays, the farmers, our coffee leaders, so that they will be able to see how coffee is being sold at the auction. And this auction that we have a screen here is for purposes of transparency, so that our societies can know that exactly this is what has been sold at the auction. So today has been a great day for this union, that we have started to sell our coffee at the Nairobi Coffee Exchange.
Ogero, Chairman Gusii Farmers Cooperative Union. Pero iga itawetu mpaka kwa ni asikiro Nairobi. Aseka wekoni wa. Aro ringi biasara bitu biagende bia. Na kinga ndo kotebia bari mebaito ba Gusii endima Gusii na Nyamira. Kuna abana baito bagenda kotobwatsia ekawa ndoje mbuye kogoro. Na indi kuna tu anyore renzasie kawitondera yansa kogo. Ntoga nyite torore na inde next thing akikawite yakora ekoni. Lakini nalenge kwe mizabare mi moremererie ekiro konyete iyo uya, lakini rero narore kawito yagende ekiro yaonigwa asego society kitu abalimi bako baita marenga ikibase kitu kiatia narore kawito yanse baende ekiro wetera erenze siretu tubwatenya ekorokuwa kinya elie korokukinya tenene Gusii na Nyamira igo itukoria rero ari twanze brazare ebi na atore Gusii union une kawe ya koni wa tera tichikabere ntobwate aseka we koni ugoja kwarigeria borore kawe ya une koni mu Nairobi tari bosongora kibune koni wara Nairobi tari ya Gusii yoka ekawa ya Kenya ngima kere kinse korumambia ke koni paka bwaira ge ya itobu na bono korumambia aya kire koni musa 7 korumambia chisosat kire cyarenge koni igo mure myonde bwencho dagete gocha se union ya itaro le bune kawe koni wa mbwancheire ojiche ate abwigorerwe orale bune kawe ida koragento koni
Simbia rero nerituko die tulinene aigauna union egakora society chance che kahawa union ine rekitenelete Gusii and Nyamira ekahawa yaito rero ntwanyirete echiro ekuru Nairobi Coffee Exchange na ende rero nari yabere konibwa na maguri ararekanire guchakira rero igakorekana na ari beta oitania maguri ekahawa yakauni kurumarega screen ekoro kia mangana kahawa chaito igo toko nibeka kira chumaine tichikabere for abalimi, for society chaito, for private planters egere barona kikofia koniwa ndio nata na gotebana kagu yitu na Gusii yao nitu e system yitu achakire igere ndia egekogera government ya Dr. William Samoei Ruto nero ya chakire umupango uyo oro mu yamono aso muri niyo gekogera igere focused to make sure that a poor farmer nkonyara konyara chibesa chia chionse ondatari konyara konyara besa isemo kuetera secondary kiai igo ndate asaba ni baito Gusii kuna tigabaro serie kahago ya na bimete 100 na bimete 50 manyero iseri egere na lira nyare konyara ligo ekahawa egento gekoyeonia nubu yabuaye goto konyeruka quality nere koyeonia ero serie Machakos nebekiro buyo netigire ko sime ko siguchombe ime ko siguchimbuli ime na lira nyare ko abale wetu chibesa bara nyare ko korera igasi yo gosomia abana babo na kugore ndagera yabe yibakuri igo intune union lero tolera no chairman yone no finance manager igo tuacha ko witness together kuna amangana ya okoniwe kahawa the new government evegete in place into turu mustari kabisa na ando mustari mutu to make sure that the reforms chiriba tebete chaba happenly egere umurimi yori uri karia anyare benefit igo bofo auction ya lero twachaka na into twagokire monege kogera tuatagete tutambo kyumurimi to the next level ye kahawa yaye tena ko ngati kahawa itebu atibesa kahawa yina kiere e kahawa bono iga abali mbaito wanyero isari na hande ntunye tenira senchirengia ko make sure buna ya kanirwe asenchire bwenerete wetera